Welcome. English learning. Would you like? I'd like. Would you like is equal to do you want. We use would you like to offer things. Would you like some coffee? No, thank you. Would you like a chocolate? Yes, please. What would you like? Tea or coffee? Tea, please. We use would you like to invite somebody. Would you like to go for a walk? What would you like to do this evening? Would you like to have dinner with us on Sunday? Yes, I would love to. Means I would love to have dinner with you. I'd like is a polite way to say I want. I'd like means I would like. I'm thirsty. I'd like a drink. I would like some information about hotels, please. I would like to see the film on television this evening. Would you like and do you like? Would you like some tea? Means do you want some tea? Would you like to go the cinema tonight? Yes, I'd love to. I'd like an orange, please. Means can I have an orange? What would you like to do next weekend? Do you like tea? Means do you think tea is nice? Do you like going to the cinema? Yes, I go to the cinema a lot. I like oranges. What would you like to do at weekends? Thank you. Subscribe, like, share.